Danke bafethu, welcome back to Mkhulisi wakho. Ngicela ningakhohlwa ukulike and subscribe. I-agent laka-Apolis bafethu uLance Davis uconfirmile ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs izamile ukumsayina u-Apolis. Wagcine wakhuluma ukuthi bona ezama-agent abekho involved, lezi zinto lezi bokuyi-club to club angeke babe involved between ama-clubs mezama ukukhuluma. So uthi-ke if i-club lese i-club A ikhuluma ne-club B, if enye iClub ayifuni ukuthengisela abantu iplayer noma i-team iplayer, bona bayi-agent ayikho into abangayisho ngempela. So it shows ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs, and it was confirmed ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs they tried ngathi baye kawu-2 if not kayi-3 for Apolis bamitha i-price tag ka-Apolis le beyifunwa iPolokwane City, but iPolokwane City ba-rejectile only for iPolokwane City ukuthi ithengisele i-Orlando Pirates nge-less price. To be fair, that was reported by the way. Apolis ukuthi ujoyine, I think it was around 12 million. Angikhumbula ukuthi niyakhumbula uLance Davis mekhuluma ngale ndaba lokuthi i-Cape Town Spurs ifuna ukuthi uvele baye athengiselwe i-Kaizer Chiefs ngemali efana neka-Apolis, and I think mekhuluma more than a year ago athi you can't compare the two players. Apolis is way ahead of uvele bayo. Apolis udlalela iBafana Bafana izinto ezinjalo. So i-Kaizer Chiefs they were willing to meet i-asking price ka-Apolis, but iPolokwane City they showed no interest whatsoever ukuthengisela i-Kaizer Chiefs. And then he went on to confirm ukuthi neMamelodi Sundowns beba interested, neEsperanza they were also interested. Uthi many more deals around the world aya-hijackwa. Uthi well done to i-Orlando Pirates ngokuthi ikwazi ukuthola u-Apolis, ukuthi kusho ukuthi bayi-hijackile i-deal. Well, abantu-ke banama-comments-ke amaningi-ke about i-deal ukuthi bayi-hijacke kanjani. Abanye bayazi ukuthi-ke abanye bathi okay, asingeneni kuma-comment wabantu bafethu. Abantu bathi bayazi ukuthi i-dictator iyo yenze izinto under the table ukuthi ikwazi ukumthola u-Apolis. I-dictator-ke ngeke sisho ukuthi ubani, obviously siyazi ukuthi mabathi i-dictator basho ubani. But I wanna connect this thing nomphathi we-Black Leopard. Umphathi we-Black Leopard uthe umphathi we-Orlando Pirates uDr Ivan Khoza bafethu powerful than i-South Africa's i-president yase-South Africa. Imagine ama-allegations amakhulu-ke lawo, or nje amagama amakhulu awashilo. Uthi umphathi we-Orlando Pirates kumele uvume yonke into kuye, wamphikisa nje sosenkingeni soku-wrong side yakhe. Uthi naye mezama ukuquestion ezinye izinto wabizelwa i-meeting bafethu, wathi uyafika lapha kune-vice president yase-South Africa, cabanga izombuza ama-question ukuthi what is happening between yena ne-Orlando Pirates, nanokuthi-ke ureporta izinto ezinye ezenzakalayo laphana ku-league ukuthi zishintshwe. Imagine kusho ukuthi umphathi we-Orlando Pirates bafethu powerful ngempela and well connected. But let's take it back ukuthi yini into emenza ukuthi abe connected kangaka, ukuthi uPaul Mashatile i-vice president yase-South Africa uconnecta kanjani noDr Ivan Khoza. Alexander bafethu, uDr Ivan Khoza wase-Alex angithi, and then uPaul Mashatile ngesikhathi se-struggle he was based laphana e-Alex. Is not originally from e-Alex, but-ke behamba ehlala laphana e-Alex through i-struggle sakhe kula ahlangana nabantu abaningi through i-struggle, and then abantu bebenza i-difference e-South Africa. So maybe uDr Ivan Khoza is connected through i-vice president kanjalo, bahlangana ngesikhathi somzabalazo bafethu. But yeah, man, it's sad ukuthi Apolis yena simazi ukuthi bekafuna ukuya kuphi, to be honest, because of even ama-teams were overseas. He was linked with ama-teams was overseas, and there was a time like to Apolis 20 million, but Orlando Pirates azange keep it 20 million, to keep it around 12 million. I'm linking this to ilo ukuthi i-rate yakavele bayi no-Apolis bebayiqhathanisa bayifanisa. I-Cape Town Spurs ifuna ukuthola imali efana neyaka-Apolis, so that's how I arrived to i-12 million. And amanye I think amanye ama-publications ake announce ukuthi it was around 12 million imali ikhiphile lapha ne-Orlando Pirates. So yeah. I'm seeing another comment la ethi i-Kaizer Chiefs phela yazama yanegotiate ne-agent laka-Apolis, then yaya ku-team-ke seyiyofuna ukufinalize i-deal ne-team ukubona ukuthi iPolokwane City izofuna malini, only for iPolokwane City ukuthi ivele ba-ignore ngoba beseyazi already iPolokwane City ukuthi izothengisela i-Orlando Pirates. Well, I think what we have seen throughout the years ukuthi amanye ama-teams ane-relationship exclusively namanye ama-team kuphela, awazingeni-ke zamanye ama-team. I mean, we've seen iSikhukhune United refusing ukuthengisela i-Kaizer Chiefs abadlali. They opt for ukuthi abadlali bakhona bahambe. we've seen Cape Town lokhunjani, Cape Town City with umuntu ophinde wabuya laphana okhona uMayo refusing ukuthengisela i-Kaizer Chiefs, or i-Kaizer Chiefs mayiza laphana, I think kwathiwa imalini, bathi bafuna 40 million for uMayo. I-Kaizer Chiefs yabona ukuthi ayikho-ke le nto le. Then Kaizer Chiefs, they try to submit i-offer ekugcineni, kanti they try to submit an improved offer ekugcineni, kanti uMayo then sekasayinwe I think nge-14 million or so i-team yaselokhunjani yale eNorth Africa, e-Algeria. Kanti i-Kaizer Chiefs, they submitted nabo imali competitively, but-ke i-Cape Town City, yeah, i-Cape Town City mekufika i-Kaizer Chiefs yathi ifuna 40 something million, I think, yeah. Hayi, izinto zethu ziyamangala bafowethu. Yeah, but-ke abanye bayasho ukuthi in terms of, okay, policy, the deal was hijacked, to be fair, by Orlando Pirates, and they had to do obviously everything in their power to make sure ukuthi they bring this a powerful talent ku-Orlando Pirates. Siyazi ukuthi ama-deal bawenza kanjani. I mean, amanye what is this, amanye ama-former footballers bayakhuluma ukuthi ku-Orlando Pirates bajoyina kanjani, kwenzakala kanjani ukuthi bagcine bajoyinile, ukuthi umuntu wayehleli. I think there was a player wayekhuluma ukuthi uTeboho Mooloyi at the time wayesebenzela i-Orlando Pirates ukuthi wavumbuka nje out of the blue azokhuluma naye eceleni. Yeah, which is not a good thing, bafowethu. You have to negotiate nama-agent qala, agree on a deal, and then negotiate. Kusho ukuthi unegotiate ne-agent ku-personal deal ye-player, unegotiate ne-team for a transfer fee. Kaizer Chiefs ilandela ama-steps waleyo nto leyo, but guess what, they did not get the player. Police bekazoyisiza kakhulu i-Kaizer Chiefs. To be fair, bafowethu, is one of the best players in the country by far, but-ke abakwazanga ukumthola. Ziyakhala bafowethu. uThemba Zwane-ke asimuveleni kuThemba Zwane la kancane, uthi uke wakhuluma ukuthi bafuna ukuyiwina i-CAF Champions League this season. Well, it's not gonna be easy ukuwina i-CAF Champions League ngo-Miguel Cardoso. They might have the squad to compete for a Champions League, but ngo-Miguel Cardoso abakhohlwa. Miguel Cardoso is not a proven winner, mawubheka i-record lakhe with everything. Yeah, he's not a proven winner bafowethu, to be honest, uMiguel Cardoso. I mean, ngeke ngakhuluma ngayo ukuthi uluze wonke ama-cup final awadlalile. Amanye akafika kuma-cup competitions, even nase-North Africa laphana kwe-Esperance, uluze i-Champions League, aluza naku-domestic competitions. So before afika the only trophy angayibeka etafuleni kuMamelodi Sundowns i-league kuphela leya last season, and then i-record lakhe-ke liyabheda-ke from lapho. Yeah, but uThemba Zwane, though ama-player afana noThemba Zwane bangakwazi ukuthwala iMamelodi Sundowns to ku-continental glory, but with the coach that they have, is he enough? Is he gonna select a squad that is well equipped ukuthi sikwazi ukucompete ku-continental level? I doubt Miguel Cardoso is not the man to do that, ukusave iMamelodi Sundowns. Former FIFA ref Victor Hlongwane bafethu naye ushilo ukuthi indaba ye-Orlando Pirates ukuthi basazobalwa nelona nendaba yeLupopo ukuthi babuyele laphana CAF Champions League, ukuthi indaba yabo ayikho, ukuthi icala nje labo alikho, i-useless lento yabo ngoba ayikho. There's no case at all. Kusho ukuthi abaye, mangithi useless ngichaza ukuthi ayinamsebenzi lento yabo, into abayilwela balwela into engekho. I mean, uze wakhuluma ngezinto zokuthi bona as o-review mawuklika ngazi kuphi kuyavela ukuthi i-player li-register kahle or alirejistwanga kahle, ukuthi nje Orlando Pirates lento yabo ayikho bafethu. They just have to focus ku-local football kuphela. They have to forget about the continental football, which is sad for Orlando Pirates because they've invested so much in terms of trying to compete ku-continental level. Ezemnyama ngenkani, very disappointing result laphana ku-continental level. So lokho simbala bafethu kahle, simfaka uMkhelele, sobona ukuthi uzokwazi ukuba i-head coach yeBafana Bafana, as njengoba is getting ready ukuthi ayenze izinto zakhe laphana, alungise amaphepha wakhe noma i-license yakhe ukuthi akwazi ukutake over. But ibhola lase-South Africa li-unpredictable. You never know ukuthi bazomnika umsebenzi or ngeke bamnike umsebenzi as a-head coach, noma bazobona ukuthi umsebenzi too much from yena ukuthi maybe angaba i-head coach. But ku-Hugo Broos nangu uyasho ukuthi umuntu o-qualified ukuthi aqhubeke ne-project. But in terms of if uyaqhubeka uMkhelele in terms of i-fairness yamanye ama-teams ukuthi ama-player wakhona awa-select-wa noma enza kahle, kusho ukuthi izoqhubeka mos into yakhona. Cause ushilo uHugo Broos yena mekhuluma ne-media ukuthi bona i-relationship ama-teams abane-relationship e-right i-Orlando Pirates ne-Mamelodi Sundowns. Bayakwazi ukukhuluma no-coach baku-Orlando Pirates ne-Mamelodi Sundowns ba-discuss-e nangama-player ne-selection yama-player izinto ezinjalo. So amanye ama-teams kuzokwenziwa njani-ke ngawo lawa anganayo i-communication kakhulu neBafana Bafana because of they have to build their communication line. They have to open their communication line ukuthi every player elideserve-ayo ukuthi libe laphana kuBafana Bafana bakwazi ukulinika i-chance i-player but-ke hhayi kuney'nkulumo ey'ningi kuBafana Bafana namapolitiki wakhona seeing that some of the guys have performed really well, not just from i-Kaizer Chiefs nje kuphela, even from amanye ama-team but-ke the players they're not getting the opportunities they deserve ukuthi baselekthwe kuBafana Bafana. Khona ama-player esizi-question-ayo ukuthi okay lo bamselekthile fine but on what basis because of he's not good, akanalo ne-record eli-nice nasethimini yakhe mawumbheka ukuthi maybe angaba i-striker se-national team. So but-ke uHugo Broos njengoba ngihlezi ngisho manje noma ngisho ngimgxeka kwezinye izinto but-ke ngiyasho ukuthi uyawathola ama-results. So teams we can attack him, we can oppose him but at the end of the day he's able to back himself up ngama-results ukuthi ama-results uyawathola. But-ke i-creativity kaThemba Zwane we'll see ku-continental level ukuthi they will miss it because of Themba Zwane into ayenzele ilokhunjana bafethu iBafana Bafana, I mean i-presence yakhe strong. We will see ukuthi iBafana Bafana izoperforma kanjani for the first time ku-continental level in a long time bafethu engekho uThemba Mshishizwane because of uconfirmile ucoach ukuthi akaboni ukuthi uThemba Zwane uzoba available for i-AFCON. Maybe-ke bangacabanga uThemba Zwane around March as they are gonna prepare for a FIFA World Cup. Asia, I think maningi ama-player afuna, ngizwe ne-player le-Orlando Pirates uNemtajela ukuthi ufuna ukulwa ukuthi abe se-squad-ini se-AFCON ne-World Cup, khona kumentionile nje lapho ukuthi ufuna ukulwa ukuthi bamnothise ne-coach ekwazi ukumnika lawo ma-opportunities ukuthi akwazi naye ukulwa umfana ukulwela isikhala sakhe laphana kuBafana Bafana. It's not gonna be easy, kuzoba difficult kakhulu. Khona ama-players esazi ukuthi fana noThemba Zwane akekho available, manye ama-player bewa-injured, even namanje khona ama-player athola ukuthi uNgezane there was a time la bangamselekthi khona because of naye bethintekile or bekanayi-suspension, angikhumbuli ukuthi beyenani. So uNgezane since ekhona laphana e-available and give everything for iBafana Bafana, so yiwo ama-player nawo adeserve-ayo. I mean, I was thinking of uDotley we-Kaizer Chiefs but-ke injury yakhe kubonakala ngathi injury yakhe izombeka out of i-AFCON because of by the time iqala i-AFCON or ku-select for i-AFCON uzobe engakabuyi noma uzobe engakadlali i-competitive game for i-Kaizer Chiefs. So iphupho lakhe ne-AFCON okwamanje alikho bafethu. So yeah, it's the beautiful game bafethu of eSouth Africa la siphihlika khona. Kwenzeka noma yini la, it's unpredictable, you'll never know ukuthi kuzokwenzakalani. Even some of the best players are not even seen as the people who are well equipped ukuthi ba-select for i-national team. Ngicela ukuyibamba la. Danko bafethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe making sure ukuthi le page ifika ku-15,000 subscribers. So afika ku-15,000 subscribers, we're pushing for 20,000. I think for me masingafika around 20,000 subscribers then now we good-ke sesinga-relax-ke. But okwamanje ama-subscribers kumele siwakhulise ngempela bafethu, making sure ukuthi cause sibaningi esibukelayo over 100 and what, sengibheke le number lela, cause over 100,000 yabantu, over 100,000 abantu ababukelayo bafethu. But yes, this month or last month abantu ababukele 190,000, different phones, different accounts, 190,000. But sikuphi bafethu? Come on 100,000 besingayishaya la if abantu bangamisela ngokusubscribe. But ngicela ukuyibamba lana bafethu. Danko, ngicela ningakhohlwa njengoba bengishilo ukuthi asubscribe-eni bafethu, making sure ukuthi siyawakhulisa i-subscription because nami into ezongiphusha ingimotivate ukuthi ngikhiphe ama-clip. Angifuni ukuthi ngelinye ilanga nibone kunyamalele bafethu or sengitshentshe i-page. Sure.